Welcome back to FitLife Fusion. Today, we're diving into a topic that might surprise many of you: why avocados, often hailed as a superfood, can be dangerous for your kidneys. Avocados are known for their heart-healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals, but when it comes to kidney health, there's a hidden risk that you need to be aware of. So, let's get into it. Avocados are packed with nutrients like potassium, magnesium, and healthy monounsaturated fats, which makes them a popular choice in healthy diets. They're great for heart health, weight management, and even glowing skin. However, when it comes to kidney health, especially for those with chronic kidney disease, CKD, or compromised kidney function, avocados might not be the best choice. Why, you ask? It all comes down to one key nutrient: potassium. Potassium is an essential mineral that helps regulate fluid balance, nerve signals, and muscle contractions. It's crucial for overall health, and most people don't get enough of it. However, for people with kidney issues, too much potassium can be dangerous. When your kidneys are healthy, they filter out excess potassium from your blood. But if your kidneys aren't working properly, they can't remove potassium as effectively. This leads to a condition called hyperkalemia, which is an abnormally high level of potassium in the blood. Hyperkalemia can cause symptoms like muscle weakness, fatigue, irregular heartbeats, and in severe cases, it can be life-threatening. Now, here's where avocados come in. Avocados are incredibly high in potassium. Just one medium-sized avocado contains around 975 milligrams of potassium, more than double what you'd get from a medium banana. For someone with healthy kidneys, this might not be a big deal, but for those with CKD or other kidney problems, it can push your potassium levels into the danger zone. If you're managing kidney disease, your doctor or dietitian has probably already talked to you about limiting your potassium intake. This is why foods like avocados, bananas, oranges, and potatoes are often restricted on a renal diet. So, should you avoid avocados entirely if you have kidney issues? It really depends on your specific condition and how well your kidneys are functioning. If you've been told to follow a low-potassium diet, it's best to limit or avoid avocados altogether. However, if you really love avocados, you might be able to enjoy them in very small portions, but this should only be done under the guidance of your healthcare provider. There are plenty of other low-potassium foods you can enjoy that won't put your kidneys at risk. Some great alternatives include cucumbers, apples, berries, and grapes. To sum it up, while avocados are incredibly nutritious, they can be dangerous for those with kidney problems due to their high potassium content. It's important to be aware of your potassium intake if you have kidney disease, and always consult with your doctor or dietitian before making any changes to your diet. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to FitLife Fusion for more health tips and advice. Drop a comment below if you have any questions, or let me know what topics you'd like me to cover next. Stay healthy and take care.